FIBERHOUSE presents the fiber optic cleaner pen, professional wholesale supply. Introducing the fiber optic cleaner pen, designed for quick, safe, and convenient connector cleaning. Its lightweight, hand-controlled design is comfortable to hold and very easy to operate. The practical 180-degree rotary cleaning mechanism provides more than 800 cleaning cycles. The package includes the cleaner pen, an instruction manual, and a protective color box. The extension rod makes it easier to reach and clean recessed connector areas. It is suitable for LC, MU, and 1.25 mm optical fiber connectors. To use it, insert the optical fiber plug into the cleaning head, then press gently until you hear a click. The fiber end face is now clean. Available from FIBERHOUSE. For wholesale orders, call 0306 066 3999. Visit fiberhouse.com.pk. Our store is at Plaza 57, Waliat Complex, Waria Town Phase 7, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Wholesale deals only.